I have just been dropped into the native animal enclosure, a harsh environment where no man has ever set foot. This place is completely uncharted. Excuse me. Could you just... Cheers. This is Man vs. Farm. My mission today is to find food and shelter before the sun sets. Once it gets dark, it's lights out. You gotta watch out for those low-hanging branches. You certainly don't want one of those flicking you in the eyeball. Now, I've just spotted what could be a brown-bellied tiger snake. These are incredibly deadly and extremely venomous. Now, what you want to do wait. Phew. It's just a stick, but you do want to be extremely careful when dealing with tiger snakes. I've just found tonight's dinner. This is some wallaby poo, which will provide me with some much-needed sustenance to get me through the night. Possibly not the most attractive idea, but when you're out in the wilderness, you take what you've got. Very crunchy. Let's keep going. Tonight, I'll set up camp within this log. These branches will provide me with some much-needed shelter. And will also double as coverage. If I'm lucky, I'll make it through the night, providing they don't get me first. I'll be all right. Wish me luck.